So yeah, we've got all these brackets and that welded back on now. See the other side. Really happy with it, to be fair. So yeah, they're all on. I'm gonna attack this next. Cut this out, make a new little panel in here. I want to do all the little bits first, get all these little bits done. There's another bit here somewhere. Here, I'm going to do that bit as well. And there's another bit on the other side, down there. So I'm going to do all that next. Right, we'll crack on with that. So yeah, got this bit off. As you can see, it's welded up before. It's quite bad, to be honest. So I'm going to make a new one of these to put back in the hole over there. But also I've been doing this off camera, just getting all these, smooth all these welds off. As you can probably see down there, where the black primer is, and down there, done that bit over there now. Just tidy up a little bit. So yeah, we're going to make this, and then I'll weld it into that corner. This is what we got. Quite pretty nice. Just got to get it all, just make it nice and smooth. Done a little bit for now, but we'll do that on the next video. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So thanks for coming back. Really pleased what I've got done today. Really starting to come on now. I'm going to start getting the back end done. Starting to get all that done and get it painted up so it looks, looks like I'm actually doing something, getting there. Thanks for the comments, really do appreciate it. Really happy that it's helping other people doing their projects and getting involved. Love it. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel, and like I say, get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.